Dad, can you please pull it up?
Looks
Maybe he's
hard.
not strong enough.
Yes, he is. Dad, please. I'll record.
Not my money. Give me my money.
2 years. 2 years of money you've been putting in there. How much do you think's in there?
$5.
For
Come
me,
on, look at me and tell me how much.
No, I don't know.
Easy.
Dad, I think mine.
$1,000?
No,
I think
no
mine
way.
would be 5 cents.
No, you obviously put more than
Oh yeah, I think I could put like a note in there. Come on. Just pull it, pull it.
Can't put it, you're fully, no. You gotta pull it up. God. Oh, it slipped back in. Ah, woo!
That's to drain all the water out.
It's got a hole in it.
To drain all the water out.
The lid's gone. There you go. Get your money out.
How?
Oh, is that it?
Woo! It's not even wet.
$20 in.
$20. Any more in the bucket?
Oh my god, this is so red. Yes.
Sort them out.
What? How much do you have? You have more than me. But shut up.
Okay, how much you got, Laura Jane?
I don't know. Big right
Six. Wait, is that
And
$1?
guess what?
What?
It's not wet.
Oh yeah.
$22.20.
Get a
$15.
calculator. $2.
How much?
So how much you have?
I don't know.
49, nearly $50.
I don't.
Nearly $50.
There's
And
cents.
Patricia has how much?
I don't know.
What?
Okay, add them up now.
Okay, I'll tell you.
$20.
$20.
And 20 cents?
Yeah.
Plus.
$6.55.
Wait,
Plus.
$6.55.
Plus
$15.
Wait, plus $2.
Yeah.
$2. Then $15. How much is that?
Wait, plus 15.
Yep.
You do the plus 2.
$43.75.
$43.
Okay.
Awesome. And Laura Jane's is around about $50. What are you going to do with the money?
I'm gonna spend it.
Yeah, good on you.